peace. Did you know there is a big secret in the Bible? A great secret. And it is how God is looking at you. It's revealed in 1 Samuel 16:7. Check this out. The Lord does not see as mortals see. They look on the outward appearance, but the Lord, He looks on the heart. So, it's like this fruits, this bowl of fruits that I have had in the fridge. And check them out. They're looking really nice. Except for the banana. It went bananas. Why? Doesn't care for cold. It looks rotten. But check this out. When we open it up. Look. It's completely perfect. Completely nice on the inside. Completely perfect banana. Completely perfect. Great banana. The inside is the perfect. It's just like God looks at us, not on the rotten outside, but on the perfect inside. So keep on walking with God and become perfect on the inside.